Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to buy Robux with Amazon Pay. So first of all, you need to log into your account on Roblox. Then you need to click this Robux icon on the top right menu and click buy Robux right here. Then you need to select the amount of Robux you want to buy. For example, let's choose the minimum amount, which is 400 Robux. Now from these payment methods, we need to select other because we need to use Amazon Pay and wait a few seconds and it will load up this page. Now we need to select Amazon Pay, which is right here. Then we need to enter the email. It's optional, guys. It's just for receive a receipt on your email. So just write in email here. So guys, when you enter your email address and when you click this green continue button, it will redirect you to Amazon Pay where you need to click the buy button, and that's all guys. You will finalize the payment and you will buy Robux on Roblox using the Amazon Pay. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.